Have you ever wondered how much it costs to send money instantly, securely, and borderlessly? Today, we're diving into the world of digital currencies and exploring a specific player, Beam Wallet. This platform promises to revolutionize the way we transact, but what's the catch? More specifically, how much does it cost to send a transaction using Beam Wallet? Understanding Beam Wallet. Before we delve into the fees, let's quickly understand what Beam Wallet is. It's a privacy-focused cryptocurrency wallet that leverages the power of Mimblewimble, a cutting-edge technology that ensures your transactions remain confidential. The beauty of zero-fee transactions. One of the most enticing features of Beam Wallet is its zero-fee transaction model. That's right, you heard it correctly. Sending and receiving Beam, the native cryptocurrency of the platform, doesn't cost a dime. This is a significant advantage over traditional payment methods and many other cryptocurrencies that charge hefty transaction fees. But is it really free? While Beam Wallet doesn't directly charge you for transactions, it's essential to understand the underlying mechanics. To maintain the network's security and incentivize miners, Beam uses a proof-of-work consensus mechanism. Miners are rewarded with newly minted Beam coins for processing transactions and securing the network. The role of miners. Miners play a crucial role in the Beam ecosystem. They invest significant computational power and energy to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. To compensate for their efforts, they receive a portion of the transaction fees. However, as mentioned earlier, Beam Wallet doesn't charge users directly. Instead, it levies a small fee on each transaction, which is then distributed to miners as a reward. The impact of network congestion. While the base fee for Beam transactions is minimal, it's important to note that network congestion can influence transaction fees. During periods of high network activity, miners may prioritize transactions with higher fees. This dynamic ensures that transactions are processed efficiently, even under heavy load. The future of Beam Wallet. Beam Wallet is a promising project with a strong focus on privacy and user experience. By offering zero-fee transactions and leveraging advanced cryptographic techniques, it aims to redefine the future of digital payments. As the cryptocurrency industry continues to evolve, it's crucial to stay informed about the latest developments. Keep an eye on Beam Wallet and its potential to reshape the way we transact. To summarize, Beam Wallet offers a compelling proposition with its zero-fee transaction model. While there are underlying costs associated with network maintenance and miner rewards, the direct impact on users is minimal. By understanding the mechanics of the Beam network, you can make informed decisions about your financial transactions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.